Well, hey everybody, welcome back to the Canning Nana, and thank you all for your patience while I recover from this infection. We had a bit of a little family emergency come up. Got a whole family ill. So I've been kind of keeping it low and getting to my corn cob jelly today. You guys will get this in a couple days. So I just wanted to come on here really quickly and thank you all for your kindness and generosity and support. I've been getting a lot of emails asking how I am and supporting me and for taking a little bit of time off for me. Thank you guys. I really, really appreciate it. So in appreciation, I've added some things to the giveaway that I'm doing, as well as the corn cob jelly. I'm gonna be giving away regular mouth lids and wide mouth lids. So if you guys need some lids, I did find a source locally who says that they're going to be getting some in from now on, and they're ball. They also are carrying the pure jars, the PUR jars that they have now. And I didn't see any boxes of lids. They're just jars and, with the lids and the rings on them. I didn't buy any of those. I've got plenty of jars right now. But if I can get these, now these were like $3.99 a box. So they're pretty high, but they are available. So, and it's better than paying prices that are on Amazon and eBay and stuff like that right now. So if anybody needs these, please contact me at the Canning Nana, and I will see what I can do for you guys as far as getting some lids and mailing them out to you, and just charge you the cost of them and the actual shipping cost. So I want to help people get jars, put up as much as possible this season, and I know that lids are few and far between. So like I said, these two boxes right here I am going to be giving away in my giveaway. I'm hoping to do that tomorrow. Well, for you guys that'll be Wednesday. So and we should be having a live also on Wednesday, maybe Tuesday afternoon. So hope to see you guys soon. Thank you guys again, and watch for that corn cob jelly recipe coming shortly. See you soon. Thanks guys.